today we're going to install a new battery on a 2017 Chevy Impala. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and drop the battery into the battery bay. Alright, and there it is. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove these covers from here. This positive takes this little clip right up there. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clamp down the battery right down where that hole's at. You're going to match it with this one here. And use the bolt to tie it down. Go ahead and use both hands. Well, you can use a flathead to kind of straighten it out. There it is. Just go ahead and put on that bolt. My hands are too fat. There it is. And you'll be using a size 13mm socket to tie this down. Just go ahead and secure that in. And not too tight, just enough. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this right up here. Open up this little latch. There it is. Go ahead and bring this down like so. There it is. You can hear it clipped onto the other side. There's a clip right here we're going to also push down. There it is to clip onto the battery. We're going to go ahead and put on our positive terminal there. We're going to grab this one here that we set to the side, put it on. This one is also a size 13mm. Let's go ahead and tie that down. Might need both hands. Yeah. And once again, not too tight. Now we're going to be using the size 10 to secure the positive side. Go ahead and clamp that down. Now we'll switch. And not too tight, just enough to grab it. Go ahead and close this little flap. There it is. Let's go ahead and put on our negative cable. This one's super corroded. I'm going to clean it up real quick. Alright, I have this battery post and terminal cleaner. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to just slip it in through here, wiggle it back and forth, clean everything in there. Then I'll do the exterior and clean the exterior. Alright, there it is. Not the best, but it is a lot better. Let's go ahead and secure this with the size 10 socket as well. There it is, perfect. Let's go ahead and put this cover back on. This just goes right over the cables, just like so. And then here at the back end, we have little clips. There it is. There it is. Let's go ahead and start it up. Remove all your tools. Alright, all tools are removed. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Sit right in here. And here we go. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.